So what is going on, lads? Basically I thought let's just do an experiment with a football and let's put it to the test and see how maybe some bubble wrap does with a football. Yeah, I was gonna say let's see how bubble wrap does with a football. We're basically gonna coat the football with bubble wrap and just see how it is pretty much. This video is inspired by Kieran. He does football experiments like this, so go check him out. I'll leave his link in the description, and whilst you're down in the description, don't forget to leave a like and then don't forget to click the subscribe button. And yeah, let's just get straight into this. Okay, so I've wrapped the bubble wrap around the ball a few times. I'll add a few more layers in a bit, but let's just put it to the test and we'll just drop it against the normal ball, okay? Alright, let's see how it is. Alright, so it doesn't look like it has a lot of bounce, but let's see what it's like to do kicky uppies.
Whoa!
Alright, so when kicking it, you can actually still feel the football through the bubble wrap because the bubble wrap is actually quite light. So what I'm going to do now is add a load more bubble wrap onto it and I'm going to make it really big. Let's do this. So I've put a lot more bubble wrap on the ball and it's pretty big now. I don't think I can do kicky uppers with this or any skills because it's proper big. I mean, probably like 5 at a push. So yeah, I'm not going to try that. Me and Josh Upton, the cameraman, are going to go take some shots now and just see what it's like. Yeah, let's go. Go on. Alright, so what I've noticed is that you can kick it a short distance and it will stay in the air for quite long. So I'm going to try kick it as hard as I can. That had quite a lot of lift. Alright, let's hit the crossbar. Alright, so let's hit the crossbar.
Let me have a go, let me have a go.
Unlucky. Hit the post.
I mean, it had the height, but then it dipped.
Oh. Alright, so I don't think we're going to hit the crossbar from half court simply because we just can't reach. So yeah, I'm going to go a bit further. That went over.
I tried to scoop, they didn't scoop.
Perfect!
That's the one!
That's the one, boys. We've hit the crossbar there. And now what we're going to go on to do is something a whole lot more extreme. We're going to fill up the goal with bubble wrap. Let's do this. So as you can see there, we have filled up the whole entire goal with bubble wrap, and I'm just going to put it to the test and see how it goes up against a normal ball, because that big bubble wrap ball against that goal just won't be very interesting. Normal football versus bubble wrap gold. Let's see. Okay, so I've sort of trashed it already.
Oh no.
Right, so as you can see there, we pretty much trashed it. Yeah. So let's just go close up and see how it reacts to just a little kick up against it. Okay, so it does actually have a bit of a spring, but it kind of just ruins it. Maybe we need to make it more secure, but we're out of bubble wrap now, so we can't really do that. Okay, at this point, unfortunately, my camera cut out, so I can't show you anything else, but I was pretty much just taking shots and just trashing the bubble wrap pretty much. I should have run through the bubble wrap at the end, but I didn't think to do that. But if you want me to create similar videos to this, then just leave your suggestions in the comments. Just say, like, banana skin football, I don't know, literally anything, and I'll just do what I can pretty much. So if you did enjoy this video, please remember to leave a like rating and subscribe for more sort of videos like this. They're really fun to make, so yeah, I really want to do more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys later.
Nice one.